Hey everyone, this is Thomas Talon at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2022 Bennington S22. Guys, this is a tri-tune with the SPS package and a Yamaha 250. Taking a look up front at the bow, you'll see that this boat is equipped with docking lights and nav lights. It's got the ocean blue paneling with the white accent stripe. You'll also notice that this boat has a double bimini top. Guys, this boat is loaded out with a lot of options. Double bimini top, accent stripe, does have a rub rail, nav lights, docking lights. Again, it is the SPS package with Yamaha 150. You'll also see it has the extended aft deck, which is an option. Guys, let's take a look on board. Of course, it does have the Yamaha 150, as I mentioned. Stainless steel prop, has a curved aluminum ladder. It is a stern radius seating boat. Guys, this boat has two tables, one in the bow and one in the stern. Side-by-side captain's chairs. Taking a look at the helm, you see it has the upgraded Rockford Fosgate stereo, all your mechanical gauges. Also has RGB lighting in the speakers and cup holders. Guys, this boat is also equipped with power steering. Plenty of storage underneath all the seats, guys. Tons of room for all your equipment, life jackets, anchors, your day bag. Plenty of storage underneath all these seats. Guys, this is an excellent boat. Just got it in. Like I said, it has the double bimini top. Has two tables, one for the bow and one for the stern. Stern radius seating. Tri-tune SPS package, Yamaha 150 with power steering. Guys, for more info, please stop by our showroom or give us a call at 864-236-9005. Again, I'm Thomas Talon, and thank you for viewing my video.